time. He is giving his healing pills to all the sinners on the scene.
He's giving his healing pills to all the sinners on the scene.
Yeah, good. I can hear the rhythm. I can hear the rhythm.
Good day, guys. I'm so surprised that I'm speaking in English now because I was not good at English before completing this course. Furthermore, my grammar skill was horrible. But Patrick always taught me till I spoke very well. And you can also speak like native speaker. Trust Patrick, and if you join this course, you can improve your pronunciation skill and grammar skill and useful expression, something like that. Believe SCOTS, and you can also speak English like native speaker. Thank you.
Did the pea ship the sheep pull it? Good day, guys. Today I will introduce Patrick's course. He is a pronunciation expert and he has a lot of knowledge and he knows how he can fix the problems correctly. When you make some mistakes, he always tries to fix it till you can correct. Before I came here, I have a lot of pronunciation problems, but now I almost fixed it. He taught me real English that native speaker use, like idiom, slang, their intonation, something like that. And so now I can improve and expand my English skills. Moreover, when I speak with native speakers, I can understand easily and I can use all of things that I learned. And the most important thing is Patrick is handsome guy.
Leaving the living sinners of the scene, will Wheeler breathe?
Leaving the living sinners of the scene, will Wheeler breathe.